Hello, it's Hector again. We're here at Shaler Honda. Today we're going to be discussing maintenance items. So for Hondas, the maintenance items are numbered 1 through 7, and today we're going to be breaking them down. The first of the services being number 1, which is the tire rotation. We recommend these every oil change to ensure even tire wear. Next up is the service 2, the engine and cabin air filters. We've got them out for you. The engine air filter eventually will get dirty and lead to decreased engine performance and fuel economy, so we recommend them when they're due. The cabin air filters protect the fan motor from debris and also filter the air inside of the vehicle, and if left unchecked for too long, they can cause a foul odor due to bacterial buildup. They usually last around 10 to 15,000 miles depending on the area you live in. Next is the service 3 or transmission service. These are due every 3 years, 30,000 miles, whichever comes first. Doing so helps prolong the life of the transmission and maintain smooth shifts. Next is the service 4, spark plug and valve adjustment. These are due every 7 years, 100,000 miles. After the interval, the spark plugs begin to degrade, and then at that point, you end up losing fuel efficiency and engine performance. It also includes the valve cover gasket if you have a 4-cylinder, or both valve cover gaskets if you have a 6-cylinder. Next up is the service 5 or cooling service. This is due every 5 years, 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. After that, the coolant begins to break out and become acidic, and at that point, you end up losing cooling efficiency. Next is the service 6 or rear differential service. These are due every 3 years, 30,000 miles as well. So just like the transmission, the rear differential needs its fluid exchange as well. Doing so within the interval ensures smooth all-wheel drive performance and prolongs the life of the rear differential. And lastly, we have the service 7 or brake fluid service. Now we're taking a look at the brake fluid reservoir. The fluid starts out looking similar to this, if not a bit clearer. The service is due every 3 years, 30,000 miles, reason being the fluid is hygroscopic. Said fluid will absorb water from the air and contaminate the fluid, leading to worse and worse performance. So for the majority of the fluid services, we do recommend at least giving an hour for each service. We hope this video gave you a better understanding of the maintenance items for your vehicle. Thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.